Hello students, what's happening? This is Anup Sort and today I'm going to introduce a very important topics in the binary algebra. So let's quickly get started. Before starting, I would like to say that if you like my video, don't forget to click the red color subscription button and hit the bell notification tab to get notified each time when I upload a new video in YouTube. Okay, so let's start. Though the Morgan theorem has it consists of actually two theorem, theorem 1 and there is another theorem, theorem 2. And theorem 1 says the complement of the sum of the two or more variable is equal to the product of the complements of the variable. What is complement? Complement means if the variable is 1, okay, then its complement will be 0. That is it will be opposite. And if the variable is 0, so its complement will be 1. Okay. And what is variable, what is 0 1 actually? So in the binary algebra there is a concept of 0 and 1. Actually full binary algebra just circle about 0 1, okay, where 0 is considered suppose a low voltage, okay, and 1 is considered high voltage, whatever. And even our computer also works on these two numbers 0 and 1. We could say that the combination of 0 1 make the language of the computer, okay. So the complement of the sum of two variable. So if the variable is a and v, so here a plus v will be equal to the sum, and its complement will be a line drawn over them, okay, just above the a plus v. So this is the complement of the sum of the two variable. This will be equal to, this is equal to product of the complements of the variable, where the product is a and b, but actually it's the product of the complement of these two variables. This is complement a complement, this is complement b complement, and they are connected by a multiplication relation, okay. And this is just theorem 1. And sometimes questions are asked to prove it, okay. So here I am taking a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. You could take any other value, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, or a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. Each time the result will be same. So if I am putting the value of a 0 and this one also 0, so 0 plus 0, here just above there is a complement sign, okay. 0 plus 0 is 0 0. This is the binary addition law. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, and 0 complement becomes 1. As before starting the video, before starting the theorem 1, I stated that the complement is just opposite of the variable, okay. So if the variable is 1, the complement will be 0, and if the variable is 0, then it's going to be 1, whatever. And this one here, putting the value of 0, putting the value of a, that is 0, and this one also. So 0 complement 0 complement 0 complement becomes 1, 0 complement becomes 1, and 1 when it is multiplied by 1, it will become 1. So we are finding that LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the theorem 1. Next I am going to tell you the theorem 2. What is theorem 2? Okay, so theorem 2 states that the complement of the product of the two or more variables is equal to the sum of the complements of the variables. That is, here already there is a product of two variables and I am taking the complements, but it becomes the addition of these two complements of the variable. So AB product and its complement becomes equal to the sum of the complements of the these two variables. Again the questions will be asked to prove it. So I am starting to just prove it. Proof. Again I am taking a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. So if a is equal to 0, I am putting over here. So 0 0, here there is a complement sign, and here again 0 0 for b. Okay, now we know very well that 0 complement will be 1. Here on the right side this one will also be a 1. Now 0 0, when it is multiplied it will give the result 0 and its complement. Now 0 complements is just 1, and 1 plus 1, as per the binary addition law, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. That is 1 means high voltage, and this is also a high voltage. High voltage becomes another high voltage. Okay, high voltage means 1, so 1 is equal to 1. That is LHS is equal to RHS. So thank you for watching my video, and again I am asking that if you like my video, please share it with your friends, and just subscribe my channel. Thank you.